Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we have some big announcements coming up from Shiba Inu token. So this is big, guys. You can even hear by the sound of my voice that I'm so excited because we finally got listed on Webull. That's right, we will talk about what will Webull listing do according to price, I would say price prediction, and the price action that is going to happen, because you should get ready for the explosion. And with that said, if you're a member of a Shiba Inu army, make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on any of the big news coming up. And also make sure to smash that subscribe button because I'm posting a daily news about your favorite tokens. We are so close to that 4K subs. Come on guys, I know that we can do it. Smash that subscribe button, and without further waiting, let's start with the video. So first off, big news, guys. This is really big. I'm not over exaggerating. Webull listing is huge news for the Shiba Inu token. You can see official post by the Webull Twitter account. SHIB is here. Start trading today with Webull crypto. So the wait is over. Trade Shiba at the $1 minimum. This is big, guys, because Webull is actually powered by some huge hedge funds and some huge whales and millionaires that will actually be able to invest into Shiba token. So can you imagine what will it do to the current volume of a Shiba Inu token? We can definitely expect some great news and some great price pump that is going to happen very soon. But before we start with the price analysis, I will talk about the current price, which is currently trading at the 72. Let's read all the announcements first. So this is the proof of a Shiba Inu buying on Webull. SHIB can now officially be purchased through the Webull, so you can see how it looks like right now. Carlos Raid is posted that. Sounds good. One more thing by the SHIB Informer. Thanks Webull Global for giving more options to trade to the Shiba army. And Robinhood app, don't worry if you ended being the last in the party to list SHIB. Better late than never. Hint, at least 180k people are interested. So Robinhood is also one of the biggest exchanges, and if imagine just what could happen if Shiba Inu got listed on Robinhood at, I would say, 1-2 days more, combined with the Webull and Coinbase listing. That would make a huge explosion. So this is great. One more thing by Satoshi Kusama, which is the CEO for who don't know who is Satoshi Kusama. Satoshi is a CEO of a SHIB, and you can see civilization pair is added to the shibaswap. So this is a big news from all of the people that are on the shibaswap, making the stake or something else, swapping, whatever. This is a big news, guys. So you can see the SHIB trading at the 71. Leash is currently at the 1000. So this is a big price jump, since as far as I remember, a few days ago it was around $800. This is, I would say, ideal price. The biggest problem on ShibaSwap with the leash and bone are the gas fees. So gas fees are insanely huge, and this is why the price of leash and bone is going slowly down. But right now we are a little bit up. I'm so happy to see leash and bone performing well today. Also, one more thing from the Reddit before we start with the price analysis is SHIB card. So when SHIB gets their stuff together, do you think SHIB could actually make NFT cards like Crow? So this is kind of interesting statement, and you can see the comments. Oh no, credit card companies, issuers have to be backed by the bank. So actually it's more about like, I would say, the cards, and like for example partnership with Visa or MasterCard, and making actually a Shiba card available for all the Shiba users. So credit card companies, issuers have to be backed by the banks, which would never happen since so-called devs are anonymous. Are SHIB holders really that dumb? So maybe, and you can see some speculations over there in the comments, but this could be very interesting. Imagine the volume on the Shiba cards combined with the cryptocurrencies that are currently here. This could be very huge. Also, there is a concern, and I see these kind of posts very often. Why are we stagnant? So why are we not going up? I see that Bitcoin is over 51k and Ethereum is about to break 4k. What the heck is with SHIB? I don't understand it in long-term investment. However, it is going in the wrong direction, even short-term. I keep adding millions of SHIB weekly. I love how I get screwed up title. So there you go. This is a, I would say, average statement of a Shiba Inu holder. Of course, holders are furious because if you go to the 3-month chart, you can see that we are going up and down, but mostly sideways. And as I said, as I predicted in the last video, a pump will going to happen because the market manipulators are waiting for the lowest possible price to invest and then make the pump go up and then sell as highest as possible. And you can see the pump is definitely preparing. We even have a support line right here. If you zoom out to the 7-day chart, you can see right here forming of a support line. We got rejected right here, then we went to the dip and up again, and we have a stable line right here. So combine that with resistance line that is currently let me find it right here, all around 88, where we got rejected. That resistance line combined with the support line could actually make the price explode. So this is why these news are so important. Imagine that combined with the Webull listing, Coinbase listing, and as well as some of the, for example, Robinhood listing speculation, this could be huge. So let's start with the comments right here about the stagnation. Don't ever make it your only investment, you will lose. I totally agree with him. I mean, you should diversify your portfolio, make some, I would say, more coins, more meme coins, more stable coins, whatever, but definitely diversify. Don't put all the eggs into one basket because you know what could happen. It could just going bounce between 0.5 and 0.9 for a long time. I think if it ever gets to the 99, a lot of people have sell orders in and it will fall again. The whales have buy at and sell at. So set up, they can just keep buying and crashing out everything. This is exactly what I said, and this is the thing with the Shiba Inu. If you go to the past 3 months, you can see ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. But the thing is, you should definitely go along with that roller coaster ride and buy the SHIB when it's at the low price, so at the 17. Because this roller coaster will never end, because people are actually looking forward to make new investments and to make quick money. You can see, for example, August 5th, it was at the 62. Okay, this is a good price for the discount, let's buy it right here. Then it went up just the next day at the 82. Okay, let's sell, let's not get too greedy. Okay, then you can maybe buy again from the new dip, sell again high, and right now is the new dip. It was actually, I would say, 3 days ago, but still it's a possible to buy because the new pump will happen. You can see it's happening all the time, and definitely wait for price jump. Don't buy right here when the price is already up because you will lose a lot of money. And that's the thing that I actually want to tell you, that you don't need to even believe in this project long term. You can still make a lot of money off of it just for the trading and waiting for that roller coaster ride. So never buy when it's high, buy when it's low, buy when it's its lowest point. For example, if we go and check out the baby Dogecoin right now, let's take him for example, you can see right here on 3-month chart that still there are some pumps that are happening. Right now is the lowest possible point for baby Dogecoin. Why not buying right now? Don't buy when the pump is already happening and then bitching around the Reddit how you all lose all the money and stuff. Buy it right now, wait for the next pump, then sell. So I think that it's perfect time for Shiba Inu coin right now and for holders to buckle up with more tokens, because we will definitely see a rise throughout the whole days. And if you go to the coin market cap, you can see the Bitcoin is doing pretty much the same. We are following the Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is on a steady rise. You can see from the past 7-day chart, we are on a steady rise and we are looking forward to make more money. So I would say this is a perfect situation for Shiba Inu holders and for some new holders to buckle up with those sweet Shiba Inu tokens, millions or trillions, it's your choice, but definitely buckle up with some because price explosion is going to happen very soon. One more thing here that I want to mention before the end of the video. Of course, I'm not your financial advisor, but definitely do your own research. Let's check out for the end of the video about the market prices and the market volumes. You can see Binance is doing 48 million, Lbank is doing 45, Hotbit is doing 42, and I would say this is pretty fair. I mean, Binance was doing alone around 150 million, but I would say right now it's kind of stagnation period from the big pump, and 48 is okay. Let's hope we will not go below that price. And with that said, guys, thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new. I hope that you are still a member of a Shiba Inu army. Let me know down in the comments what do you think about my opinion. Also, let me know if you're excited about the Webull listing. I'm so excited to see the big hedge funds and whales making big investments, making the price spike so hard, and let's go together to the moon. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know your opinion down in the comments. Smash that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.